Hi, this is Nestor Arellano for itbusiness.ca, and I'm here at the Science Center for the unveiling of AMD's new chip, the AMD Fusion. Laptops have been limited by their battery power and processing power, but by putting together the power of a GPU and a CPU into this tiny chip, AMD hopes to improve the power and functionality of today's netbooks.
Yeah, much of the innovation behind the technology that we are going to expose here today was developed in Canada, was developed here in Ontario.
The launch we ran today here is for AMD Fusion. These are new type of processors that combine the CPU and the GPU, the graphics processor, into one small, really small piece of silicon. And by doing that, we are able to offer much improved performance at a reduced power consumption and at very attractive, affordable price points. By providing a much better graphics processor in this tiny little Fusion processor, we are able to process a new category of applications that are really about the visual experience. Very high-end graphics, the ability to play back HD video, and all in very small packages, netbooks, and other small devices. Eventually, the technology that we are unleashing here today will and could and will be used in tablets and small devices as well, but our initial design is really for netbooks and up, for devices with screens of 10-inch and up.
The big push today was on the netbook, a phrase that they've coined the super netbook market, which would enable netbooks to operate at a much faster speed than they currently do with a longer battery life. And certainly in the netbook market, that's critically important, and that's what's necessary for success. And the reason why is because of the number of applications, for both professionally and on the consumer side, that require quick video rendering or quick applications, quick access to the application. So it's critically important that those processors pick up the speed and are able to multitask to a higher level than they can right now. The other area, and I just have a sneaky suspicion, the tablet market is growing at such a wide speed, it wouldn't surprise me if we ended up seeing some of these chips in that market. I don't have any confirmation or anything like that. Certainly today the push was on the netbook market. And what I think is particularly neat is the netbook market has been hit by the tablet market. And what the trend that I'm seeing both in businesses and consumer-wise is that we're going to see people, individuals, organizations have multiple devices. They're going to have a notebook on their desk at work. They're going to have a tablet perhaps in their purse. They're going to have a netbook at home. They're going to have multiple devices, an iPhone or a smartphone, BlackBerry on their hips. So it's not just about one device answering all of our concerns. We have to have multiple devices that can all answer and address all of our concerns. And this chip, my suspicion, it can help grow all those markets.